Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm sharing a delicious chocolate hazelnut spread, which you probably know as Nutella. It's incredibly easy with only 3 simple and healthy ingredients: roasted hazelnuts, cacao powder, and coconut sugar. Let's get started. For the perfect chocolate hazelnut spread, pour the raw hazelnuts onto a baking sheet and roast them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. While the hazelnuts are roasting, place the coconut sugar into a coffee grinder and blend until it's a fine powder. This step is optional, but it will help the sugar to dissolve easier and produce a much smoother spread. Once the hazelnuts are cool to the touch, pour them onto a kitchen towel. Gather up the ends to form a ball and then rub the outside of the towel to help loosen the skins. Not all of the skins will come off, but that's okay. All of the skins will come off, but that's okay. Place the hazelnuts into the blender and blend on high speed until they become creamy. If you are using a Vitamix, use the tamper to help push the hazelnuts down into the blades. Add the rest of the ingredients and blend until smooth. You will need to stop the blender and scrape down the sides a few times. Once the spread is nice and smooth, it's ready. Pour the spread into a container, cover it, and store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. This spread will set up once it's chilled. Enjoy your chocolate hazelnut spread with fresh fruit, on pancakes or toast. You'll love how easy and delicious homemade Nutella is to make. If you enjoyed this video, please